I'm really sad to say this, but I'm saying goodbye to my Napoleon Rogue Gas Grills. I had so much fun with these grills, man, they really are perfect. Remember the Easter brunch video that we did? Man, look at this grilling surface, it's huge. Or when we did the pizza, it turned out so crispy and crunchy. It was absolutely fantastic. Remember that tenderloin sauerkraut video that we did? We used a Zizzle zone. Man, that thing rocked. Or that time when we smoked those ribs. Man, we got such a nice smoke ring and they turned out so juicy. Absolutely fantastic. But it's time to say goodbye and we're rolling them out of here. And this is why I'm saying goodbye to my Napoleon Rogue Gas Grills. Look at this thing. It's gigantic. Look at the amount of real estate that we have. We even have a dedicated smoker tray with its own burner. Look at these lights, LED lights. And look, when you turn them on, they start to turn red. We even have lights here and here to light up your grilling surface. Look at the back burner. It creates infrared heat and that's perfect for our rotisserie roasts. Look at this Zizzle zone. Look at the size of it. Lift up the grill grate, turn it on, and we're good to go. Look, big wheels. I love big wheels on gas grills, so we can actually move them around. And look at the amount of storage room. Beer opener, look, a cutting board, an ice bucket, and I also ordered the rotisserie. We've got the cast iron reversible griddle and of course the cast iron charcoal tray. Now you guys understand why I traded my Napoleon Rogue Gas Grills, right? Of course, for the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. Look at this beast. I think we're gonna love this one. Now I would love to know from you guys, what do you want to see me cook on this thing? And go big, don't be shy. I would love to know, so put it down below in the comment and who knows, it's gonna be your recipe. Now it's time to get this grill dirty and put that real estate to some good use. First we'll put on the burgers, then the sausages, finally some bacon, some drumsticks, and last but certainly not least, some beautiful chicken wings. I have a nice rub from a barbecue friend of mine, Frankie's Pork Prank. We'll put that on our bacon. And I also have some pep rub from the Pure Barbecue team. I'll put that to good use on my chicken. Let's put on a little bit of barbecue sauce. Wow, look at that. Now this is a beautiful platter filled with all kinds of classic barbecue goodness, right? And now you can see the power of the real estate. The amount of food that can come off this grill, it's enormous. We showed you guys everything that you needed to know about this grill. Now we're going to put it to good use and make some beautiful recipe videos on it. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you want to support us, go to our Patreon page. The link is down below in the video description. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk!